Welcome to SECO's Inspiration Through Innovation event. Today we're going to find out about the range and diversity of applications possible on Matsuura machines just like this one. Let's hear from Damien Grice, one of their applications team. So Damien, why is it important that Matsuura come here with a machine like this and work with SECO?
Okay, so our partnership with SECO has been the last couple of years. They've got our MAM72-63V 6-pallet machine. They use it for a lot of their demo pieces and also their new products that are starting to come through. One of their examples on this machine was a 3D metal printed bar, and then finally finished off machined. And the versatility of having 6 pallets is it can do various different parts on different pallets on the machine.
It's amazing. These are like turning tools that they're additively printing, and then they're putting the really precise pockets in on the Matsuura.
Yeah.
Fascinating stuff. And as an applications engineer at the event here today, what does applications mean, and what do you do day to day?
Applications is there to help customers with their needs. So their needs will vary from one-off batches right up to the thousands. And we may need to help them get parts physically onto the machine and how cutting, if they've not done that before. Or it may be time studies and actually getting their cycle times down, more parts on the machine.
Absolutely. And I guess you must be surprised by the variety of customer applications on a machine like this. I mean, how diverse is it?
It's very diverse. I mean, with having a 5-axis multi-pallet machine, you can vary what type of work you want. You can do loads of single parts, or you can do whole batch runs of thousands of parts. And it's not got to be tied into any one of the two. You can mix and match either of each, or then you can do one of all.
Absolutely. I guess that means that you as an application engineer need to be quite versatile yourself and have a lot of knowledge in lots of different areas.
Yeah, it is customer focused, and you have to have knowledge in all areas to meet those customer needs.
It's a bit of a challenge.
It can be a challenge. That does come with experience, and there's always something that will challenge you, but we'll always work through to get to that end point.
Yeah, it's amazing that with just one machine here, the MAM72-63V, how many different applications you've got on show in the pallet changer and the demos that you're actually cutting live today. Well, what are you showing today?
So we've got one demo that's actually cutting live. We've got a couple of demonstrations that are on there to show the versatility of the machine, different parts, different products and different fixturing. Now the fixturing is probably a big one because you can have just a single vice in the machine, or you can have pyramids and tombstones, so your part quantity can go up per your pallet.
Absolutely. So you're not actually logged to number of pallets does not equal number of parts set up ready, for example, for an unmanned run?
Absolutely not. Versatility is the main thing. So you can have one vice, one pallet, and we are seeing more of a snap-off production now where customers are putting 2 operations into one, snapping the parts off and a bit of fettling. A couple of last recent customer projects I've done have been with tombstone machining on a multi-axis 5-axis machine. But then they've got one pallet with a cube or a tombstone on there, getting 4 faces, either 4 parts off if they've got bigger parts, or they may have multiple parts on one face, multiplied by 4 times.
And we've seen them all set up on the machine here today, haven't we?
Yes, so we've got a pyramid on here today, so that's 3 parts on the pyramid on only one pallet. If you had that overall 6 pallets, you could have 18 parts off on this machine.
Yeah, absolutely. So a huge amount of versatility with multi-pallet 5 and 4-axis machining from Matsuura.